Here I have Realme Narzo 50, and today I'm going to show you how to block number on this device. So firstly you have to open phone application, then tap here, go to its settings, and then go to the block numbers. Here tap add a phone number. Here you have to manually enter number which is bothering you, and then tap block. And after that, this number will never call you again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.